Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Located in the quiet community of Liberty Hill, 5 minutes from St. Anne's Bay, with gorgeous view of the surrounding mountains, is this newly built 5-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house on quarter-acre. The property has spacious living and dining area with vaulted ceilings, large kitchen, security camera, water tank, a 2-car garage with automatic door and a lovely paved stone driveway. Less than 50 minutes from Ocherest and an hour from the airport in Montego Bay. All other major amenities are less than 10 minutes away. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 350,000 or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.